Most people don't know that Mecca, the holiest city in Islam, once burned, and the Kaaba was nearly destroyed. In the year 683 CE, during the Second Fitna, a devastating civil war, Mecca became a battlefield. And the fire didn't just consume stone and cloth. It threatened the heart of an entire civilization. After the death of Muawiyah, the founder of the Umayyad dynasty, his son Yazid ibn Muawiyah took the caliphate. But his rule was bitterly contested. Many considered him corrupt, reckless, unfit to lead. Among those who refused to pledge allegiance was Abd Allah ibn al-Zubayr, a companion of the Prophet, peace be upon him, and the son of the noble al-Zubayr ibn al-Awwam. Ibn al-Zubayr declared Mecca a sanctuary of truth and justice. He rejected Yazid's legitimacy and called on the Muslims to return to prophetic principles. As support for Ibn al-Zubayr grew, Yazid responded the only way he knew how, with force. According to al-Tabari, Yazid dispatched a massive army under the command of Hussein ibn Numayr al-Sakuni, first to Medina, which was brutally crushed in the Battle of al-Harrah, and then toward Mecca. What happened next was almost unthinkable. Yazid's army surrounded the sacred city. Despite it being the month of Muharram, a time forbidden for fighting, they laid siege. From the surrounding hills, Umayyad soldiers launched catapults toward the city. Flaming stones, fireballs, and arrows rained down on the holy precincts. The walls of the Grand Mosque cracked, homes collapsed, and then the Kaaba caught fire. Ibn Kathir recounts, the Kaaba was burned, its curtains were consumed, and its structure weakened. The black stone itself was cracked. The fire was fueled by burning pitch and tar hurled from the catapults. Eyewitnesses reported the scent of smoke filling the mosque and the cries of worshippers echoing between the walls. But as the city burned, the tide of fate turned. Far away in Damascus, Yazid fell ill. Ibn al-Athir reports that he died suddenly in the winter of 683. Some say from a stroke, others claim from heavy drinking and disease. He was only 36 years old. With his death, the Umayyad army at Mecca faltered. Their morale broke. Commander Hussein ibn Numayr offered Ibn al-Zubayr a deal. Come with us to Syria. We will pledge allegiance to you as caliph in Yazid's place. But Ibn al-Zubayr refused. He would not leave Mecca. He would not abandon the city he defended with his life. The Umayyad army withdrew, and for a brief time, Ibn al-Zubayr became the uncontested ruler of the Hijaz. And what did he do first? He rebuilt the Kaaba. According to authentic hadith, the Prophet once wished to rebuild the Kaaba upon the original foundation of Prophet Ibrahim, but refrained out of concern that Quraysh would reject such a change so soon after their acceptance of Islam. Ibn al-Zubayr, however, took that step. He expanded the Kaaba's dimensions, raised its height, and added a second door, just as the Prophet had described. But Ibn al-Zubayr's rule would not last. The Umayyads regrouped under a new caliph, Abd al-Malik ibn Marwan, and eventually retook Mecca. Abd al-Malik ordered the Kaaba to be restored to its previous, smaller form, erasing Ibn al-Zubayr's changes, but not for long. Years later, after regaining full control of the caliphate, Abd al-Malik sent yet another army. Hajjaj ibn Yusuf, one of the most feared generals of the era, besieged Mecca once again. Ibn al-Zubayr was killed. And the Kaaba? Abd al-Malik ordered it to be restored once more to its former dimensions, erasing every trace of Ibn al-Zubayr's alterations. The black stone, though damaged, remained in place, a silent witness to both destruction and devotion. Even the holiest places can be shaken by the storms of power. But true faith isn't built with stone, it's built with principle. And sometimes standing for what is right means standing alone, even when fire rains down. Was this power or principle? Who was in the wrong? If you were in Ibn al-Zubayr's shoes, what would you have done? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Echo of History. Follow for more untold stories from the heart of our past. May the echo of history unite us.